Clove water benefits. Why you should drink clove water. Clove water, a simple infusion, is a treasure chest of health benefits. It's easy to make, requiring only a few cloves and hot water. Brewing clove tea releases essential oils and flavors, creating a fragrant and therapeutic drink. Enjoy these amazing health benefits of drinking clove water every day. Improves digestion. Bid farewell to digestive woes with the regular consumption of clove water. Cloves are renowned for their ability to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, promoting smoother digestion. If you often find yourself battling bloating or indigestion, a warm cup of clove water after meals might be the solution you've been searching for. Manages weight. Clove water is a valuable spice for those on a weight management journey. The compounds in cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings, and promoting a more balanced approach to eating. By adding clove water into your routine, you're not just sipping on a flavorful concoction. You're getting a natural aid in your quest for a healthier weight. Relieves tooth pain. Clove water isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's a soothing balm for toothaches. Cloves have long been celebrated for their analgesic properties, relieving dental pain and discomfort. A simple gargle with clove water can bring about welcome relief, making it a go-to remedy for when a toothache strikes. Reduces chest congestion. The aromatic compounds in cloves extend their benefits to the respiratory system. Inhaling the steam from clove water can help alleviate chest congestion and ease respiratory discomfort. Whether you are grappling with a stubborn cough or simply seeking a comforting remedy for congestion, clove water is a natural choice. Fights bacterial infections. Clove water emerges as a powerful ally in the battle against bacterial infections. Cloves have antimicrobial properties, helping your body fend off harmful bacteria. Regular consumption of clove water may contribute to a strengthened immune system, fortifying your body's defenses against different bacterial invaders. Reduces stress levels. In today's fast-paced world, stress is a constant companion. Enter clove water, the unsung hero in stress management. The soothing aroma of cloves has a calming effect on the mind, helping to alleviate stress and promote relaxation. Sip on a cup of clove water during tension hours and let the stress melt away. Thank you for watching. If you find this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe Physiomedics.